Hello, Dr. Joe here of the 2020forum.com. So, what have I got in my hands here? Well, of course, it's a blood pressure monitoring kit. Most people who've got high blood pressure have got one of these at home. And the idea behind owning one of these is that you keep an eye on how your blood pressure is behaving at home. Fantastic idea because you are involved in your blood pressure management. So, it's a great idea. What you also like to see happen is that every time you strap this on, push the button here, this machine delivers a figure that puts a smile on your face. But if you've had high blood pressure for a while, you know that you're going to have moments when you strap this on, push the button here, and this machine is going to actually deliver a figure that will upset you. Now, what you may or may not know is that events leading up to and also during the blood pressure measuring process will influence the figure that this machine delivers. Now, for you to get reliable blood pressure readings, and the keyword there is reliable, you need to have a structure in place. So long as that structure is intact, you're not just going to get reliable readings, you're also going to get readings that will put a smile on your face. Now take one or two pillars of that structure and the whole structure collapses and you end up with a reading that will probably upset you. I call that structure blood pressure measuring rules. So what are these rules?
These are the blood pressure measuring rules. It is very important you obey these rules when you measure your blood pressure at home. Obeying these rules will ensure your readings are accurate and reproducible. You need to do this right every time. So, what are the rules? Rule number 1. Please do not smoke, perform any exercise of any sort, drink caffeinated beverages, or consume alcohol for at least 30 minutes before checking your blood pressure. Rule number 2. Do not measure your blood pressure if your bladder is full. Please empty your bladder if your bladder is full before checking your blood pressure. Rule number 3. It is good practice to measure your blood pressure around the same time on the days you want to check your blood pressure. Rule number 4. Do not measure your blood pressure when you are under a lot of stress or when you are anxious. Your blood pressure reading will be artificially high and will probably worsen your anxiety or stressful situation. Rule number 5. Please use a properly calibrated blood pressure monitor and also use the right size of cuff. This is very important. You should use a big cuff if you have a big arm and a normal sized regular cuff for a thinner arm. Rule number 6. Take 2 or 3 readings 1 minute apart. And it's also a good idea to sit quietly for 5 minutes before commencing your blood pressure measurement. Rule number 7. Rule number 7 is about using the right blood pressure measurement technique, because using a bad technique will give incorrect blood pressure readings. So what is the recommended technique? Well, here it is. To measure your blood pressure, you should sit on a chair with your back straight. Have both feet flat on the floor. Please do not cross your legs. You should breathe normally. Do not talk whilst measuring your blood pressure. Place the blood pressure cuff on your bare arm above the elbow. Fasten the blood pressure cuff. The cuff should not be too tight and it should not be too loose either. The cuff should be snug on your arm. Place the cuffed arm on a flat surface, preferably on a table. Your arm should be at the level of your heart. Now push the button to measure your blood pressure. If you get a reading as high as 180 over 120 millimeters of mercury, please do not panic. Relax. Validate the reading by checking it again in 5 minutes. If the reading is still the same, please seek medical attention.
So yes, it's very important you follow all of those rules, because when you do, you're not just going to get reliable readings, you're probably going to get readings that will tell you you're doing a good job controlling your blood pressure. Now, if you got a smidget of value from this video, as usual, please give the video a thumbs up. Please like the video. If you haven't signed up yet at the Wellness Forum, the 2020forum.com Wellness Forum, I will encourage you to do so, because over there we discuss blood pressure related matters and other wellness issues, and it's also free to sign up. Please share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. I would deeply appreciate that, because we all should be measuring our blood pressure the right way. Now, if you've broken any of these rules previously, please do let me know in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. Subscribe if you haven't. I think that's about it. Until next time, well, this is Dr. Joe signing out.